All right, back we go. It is Monday, February 15th. Checking out these stocks. The market is closed today because it's a holiday. So I'm trying to go over as many stocks as I can. Doing these like 3 stocks per video. Just a quick breakdown. Nothing dramatic. I'm not getting into fundamentals. Just looking at FinViz a little bit. See where we're going on some of these. Um, CLBS. Let's take a look at this. All right, 17 million float. FinViz has 90 million market cap. They announced 65 million registered direct offering price at the market under NASDAQ rules. So that dropped it a little bit. Um, Clinical stage bio develops cellular therapeutic product candidates to address disease conditions caused by eczema. Now, taking a look at this on the daily chart, we had 2018, this really ramped up all the way to 11. Then, it sort of went back in this range, you're like 6 to 7 range. Then it's really dropped. It dropped pretty hard to 2, bounced to 350. And then look at this tail in March with coronavirus. A lot of these stocks get just hammered, some worse than others. This went down to 105. Then we bounced up. 250 came back to 175. Then the 3 range. Then we came back down again. So you can see here, throat's so dry. You can see this 350, 125 level. You can see the trend has been down, but then we bounced up. We reversed that. And we got up here to 350 plus, almost 475. Then it really came down hard with that. See, a filled candle usually doesn't hold. That means, it's not really, the longs didn't really hold it, and it came back down. So you can see the pressure here, but look where it found again. Little subtle things you can learn. That's why I don't even have the 50, 200 day on these charts. You can, but just short-term trading, you don't really even need it. You just need your 1320 EMA. Look at this. Touch, bounced up. Now, right here, you're looking good towards that 350, but then, they did the offering. So it didn't pull it down too much. It's a hollow candle, which is a good sign. I think we can still bounce back up. You want 2 to hold. This 2 line is very important. Yeah, you want 2 to hold here. 2 holds, and we're just, back in this channel. We'll bounce up to 350 again. So I have faith that'll happen. We'll see what they do with this on Monday. Sort of caught in between the move here on that. GTE. $359 million float, 389 million market cap. And these recently, it is exploration and production of oil gas properties, Colombia and Ecuador. Yeah, this has been on a tear. Look at this trend down. See, a lot of charting, technical analysis is trending charts, trend lines. This hasn't been come down since 2019. Look at this. Back and forth. Bounces, but it's going down. In March, this went down to, just below 20 cents. And then this came up and tested 60 cents. Nice little run. Then this dropped. See, a lot of these penny stocks I noticed from July to October, they were in this like fade. They're just like fading down. And then look at the opposite now. Complete opposite. This one from 20 cents to 120. Imagine making $1 on a 20-cent move. So this got the 60. Now look at the bounces in here. Here, dip buy, 1320 AMA. It's 40 cents, dip buy. 50 cents. Now this came through. That probably faked out a little, people. It came through pretty hard. But it was a fake out. Then this went up to 60. Then look at the gap ups. Just racing towards that one line. Remember, one line's very big in penny land. So we're right at one. Going quarters here. It's very simple in this chart. 125, 150, maybe 175. Here's your lines. Now it's getting far away from your 13 EMA. Could have another dip by next week. This could come back here to 70 and dip and go up. Or it could just hold this week and bounce from there. So, watch for them lines. Big volume on these white bars. See this? They are a little bit overbought. So, look where you're at. And this does follow, oil. This might follow the oil market because it is gas and energy, and let me see, what did it say exactly? Exploration, oil and gas. So, but there's your run. Again, you look at the longer term chart. If you're swinging these two, a lot of these I'm pointing out these charts maybe swing trades. I mean, you can day trade them, but when you see this come all the way down, and what was the low on this? It was like 18 cents. Now, if you think it's going bankrupt, you're scared to get in. People understand that. You don't have to go heavy size, but if you just hold some of these, look at this. You're getting a huge return in a short amount of time. So that's GTE. ONTX, 171 million float, 239 million market cap. They did an offering too. Looks like the 10th. They do late clinical stage bio, develop small molecule products for treat cancer. We've done this many times, like the rest of these. So you had to get down from 150, bounce the one back and forth along this 25-cent line. We broke up right in July and we had a big gap down. Look at this, right to below 20 cents again. And then this was another great buy. When you have a gap like that, and you faith this will come back up, which they do. You thought you're dead here. I call it coming back from the dead play or the graveyard. In the graveyard, now you're buried, and then you come back. You rise from the ashes. That's all it is. 30 cents, 40 cents. Look at this, nice dips. 70 cents. Get over this one level. Now we're sort of this 150, 117 range. I filled the gap here pretty much near 150, close. So in this one too, you have heavy volume. You're caught in between. So we're gonna break 150. Are we coming back for another dip buy? It's always hard to say. When you're like a top run like this, could come back. So this could come back to 190. I don't want it to come back all the way to 80 cents. It'd be too far. But watch these levels and watch for the break of 150. And I would look towards, let's see here, 225 to 225 to 275 looks possible if we keep going. All right, that's ONTX. And let's see here. All right, that's it for these three. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades. Smash the like button. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank II. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Heyman Trades. Leave comments. Leave any information on stocks. It's good for everyone. It helps all of us. I can't look at a million stocks. I'm doing all these quick little videos, but no, I can't trade them all like everyone else. More eyes, the better. Peace.